How to download Encode app on the PC. If you want to use the Encode application on your laptop and you don't know how to download it on your laptop, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type Encode app download, just like this, and search for it. And after that, here you can find the Encode just right here. Now select it. Then to download it, simply tap on to install right here. Now tap on it. And after that, wait for a few seconds or minute and the app will be downloaded on your PC. And that's it. This is how you can download Encode app on the PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.